One person made $1 billion in one day. Not by building company, not by inventing product, by betting that an entire country would fail. The year is 1992. Europe has a new system. Countries agree to keep their currencies tied together. This is called the exchange rate mechanism. Britain joins the ERM. British pound must stay above a certain value against German mark. Britain promises to keep pound strong. But Britain is struggling. Economy is weak. Britain is stuck. A person named George Soros notices this. Soros runs a hedge fund. Soros thinks Britain cannot keep this promise. Soros decides to bet against the pound. Soros borrows billions of pounds, then immediately sells them all. Soros bets $10 billion against the pound. Britain fights back. Bank of England spends billions buying pounds to keep value up. British government raises interest rates to 15% in one day. By evening, Britain gives up. Pound crashes. Britain leaves ERM. Soros buys back pounds at lower price. He made $1 billion doing this. Bank of England loses $3 billion. Regular people see mortgage costs spike. One person, one bet, $1 billion.